There are guidelines to follow when determining whether or not a car seat needs to be replaced following a crash. You must be able to answer no to all of the following questions. Could the vehicle be driven away from the crash? Was the vehicle door nearest to the car seat damaged? Did any of the passengers sustain any injuries in the crash? Did any of the airbags deploy during the crash? Is there any visible damage to the car seat? Again, you must be able to answer no to all of the following questions, and always replace your car seat if you have any concern about the safety or integrity of the seat. And remember, your child matters, their car seat does too.